Hello guys, welcome back. Good morning. My name is Samir. You are watching my video. Today I want to share with you one fantastic topic guys, a topic name is how to think a English language. Yes guys, how to think a English language. It's very important for beginner, important for everyone. It's very important guys. So without interrupts, let's see that like how to think a English language. Guys, it's very important, and many people, many person talk about, lots of people talk about like, Samir, I'm feeling too stuck, how to think a English language, it's very difficult for thinking part. So can you give me good way to learn, good way to think about English? How can I possible without partner, without environment, without atmosphere? How can I possible? Guys, it's totally possible. You can think yourself means what? I'm going to tell example. like in morning time, I woke up early morning, then take a breakfast, then ready for office, then go to office, take a lunch, then evening time take a breakfast, then leave my job around 6 o'clock I think. Then after 6 o'clock I will meet my friend circle, go to outside and take a party, and like that. This is guys thinking, this is your power thinking guys. Means what? You are just planning, you are just preparing your schedule in about English language. If you do guys, definitely your mind will thinking automatically like what I'm explaining, what I'm talking. This is thinking part. This is very important to like just make a plan, just think about. Think means what? Like before I told you, just prepare your plan, just make yourself like after 1 hour I will meet my friend, after 1 hour I will go to visit a one place. It's a good place. After 1 hour I will go to outside, like that. This is thinking part, totally English language guys. It's very easy way. If you do regular, automatically your mind will be like thinking calm, and it's very important always thinking about English language automatically. If you start yourself today, right now, definitely you will enjoy yourself guys. Seriously, this is very important, and thinking is very important about English language. Without thinking we can't speak, we can't make a good conversation. So it's very important. Thinking guys, like we can think anything. Means what? Like you can think about your friend circle, you can think about your future, like after 5 years what will happen and where am I. This is thinking part guys. Just build your confidence, build your thinking, and definitely you will get a lots of idea, lots of knowledge, lots of your mind will be improving day by day if you think about English language. Any can, I mean, it's very important. Means what guys? Like whatever you do, just think before you speak, just think what I'm doing. And first thing guys, I'm just telling you, don't translate Hindi and whatever native to English language. Don't translate, don't think like your native then convert to English. Don't think about, otherwise you will go to wrong track. Okay, you will be going to wrong track. Sometime I do mistakes, sorry for that. Okay, so guys, please just think means what? Good way, and about English language, about English, not your mother tongue language. Okay, like if you go to outside, again I'm going to give an example. It's good example. Like right now I'm going to tell my example. Okay, before this video I came here, and I was thinking like today what video you know make myself. So I was thinking, I was just explaining like what is the environment, what is the like feel and atmosphere and silent plains, and it's a very big place. This is I mean, these things I'm thinking my mind automatically. I'm speaking myself, I'm thinking and I'm speaking, I'm thinking and I'm speaking. You can also do yourself guys. See, thinking part is very important to about English language. It's very very important. Just try to understand guys. If you think, definitely you will day by day learning, you will build your thinking part about English language. I know that it's very difficult to starting point, but guys, like if you do regular, definitely your difficulty will be convert to easy. It's very important. You know, just think about English language means what, like people are telling about how can I think English, guys. So you can go to easy way, like you can think yourself, you can think your partner, you can think your friend circle, you can think your parents, you can think your future plan, you can think your job related. This is very easy way to go with this thing. Don't think about like advanced level, just make a, just think a easy way. Just prepare your schedule, just prepare, just think about yourself, like what I'm doing, who am I, and what's my future plan, everything. This is very important. This is, we can say, thinking part, guys. Just do it, it's gonna help. Okay, I hope so you will understand this video what I'm trying to tell with you. So if you like this video, guys, so please share, do thumb, do comment, and do subscribe, and we will meet next video. Thank you very much, and always think English language. Don't forget. Bye bye, see you soon.